Hello and welcome to the Devonshire Farmer. Today we've got something a little bit different. We've got my brother's mates who are two motorbikes. They're coming up now. Yeah, brother's coming up in his car, but he's going to park down there and stuff. But yeah, they're up here. We're going to set the drone up and try and get some footage of them. Yeah, should be some good footage, and yeah, we'll set the drone up, and yeah, there's Nathan in his car. But yeah, we'll get some footage and stuff.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
I hope you enjoyed today's little video. In the springtime I'll do another one of them on the bikes and Nathan can drive his car around. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Cheers all.